India and Israel are strategic partners. India announced its recognition of Israel on the 17th of September 1950. The political ties are warm and forward-looking. On the 11th of January 2023, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu held a telephonic conversation and conveyed his warm congratulations to Mr. Netanyahu for his election as the Prime Minister of Israel for the sixth time and wished him a successful tenure. On the 5th of January 2023, the External Affairs Minister congratulated Israel's Foreign Minister Eli Cohen on his assumption of office. The ministers discussed the events to mark the 30th anniversary of relations between the two countries, which took place in 2022, and the cooperation between Israel and India, the United Arab Emirates, and the United States. In a momentous milestone in science and technology cooperation between India and Israel, Dr. N. Kalaiselvi, Director General of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR, and Dr. Daniel Gold, Head of Directorate of Defence Research and Development DDR&D, signed a Memorandum of Understanding in the august presence of Dr. Jitendra Singh, Minister of Science and Technology, Government of India. Dr. N. Kalaiselvi thanked Dr. Jitendra Singh for gracing the meeting and his continued support to CSIR. She welcomed the dignitaries and gave an overview of CSIR, showcasing its technological and research prowess, as well as the ongoing collaboration and discussions with Israel in aerospace, healthcare, and energy. Sharing CSIR's priority topics, she concurred with the interest of collaboration with Israel in high technology areas such as artificial intelligence, quantum and semiconductors, and synthetic biology. Acknowledging the ongoing cooperation efforts of CSIR and his team, Dr. Daniel Gold envisioned that the MOU would be beneficial for the welfare of both the countries. He added that DDR&D welcomes collaboration not only with research and development organizations, but also with startups and companies and venture capitals on both sides. He apprised that AI and photonics are strengths of Israel and welcomed cooperation with CSIR in high technology sectors, which would pave the way for building a better future. In his remarks, Dr. Jitendra Singh said it is a very important year in the science and technology sphere of India under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as India is holding the G20 presidency celebrating the International Year of Millets, as also India and Israel completed 30 years of successful diplomatic relations. He apprised that CSIR has specialized laboratories in almost all the identified priority sectors. Some of these sectors are the indigenous hydrogen fuel cell bus by CSIR, a national chemical laboratory, Purple Revolution lavender cultivation by CSIR, Indian Institute of Chemical Technology IICT. He welcomed the technology partnership with Israel and congratulated both sides for their efforts to strengthen the relationship. The MOU will enable cooperation in the industrial R&D programs in mutually agreeable industrial technology fields through implementation of specific projects. The collaboration would encompass some of the key industrial sectors including healthcare, aerospace and electronics, instrumentation, civil infrastructure and engineering, chemicals and petrochemicals, sustainable energy including energy devices, ecology, environment, earth and ocean sciences and water, mining, minerals, metals and materials, agriculture, nutrition and biotechnology. The collaboration through the MOU would be steered and the execution monitored by a joint steering committee led by the heads of the CSIR and DDR&D for taking forward mutually beneficial industrial and technology cooperation. Specific collaboration on therapeutics between CSIR, Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, CSIR IICT, and Messrs. 101 Therapeutics for conducting clinical trials of a COVID-19 drug having enormous therapeutic potential was briefed. If successful, this would prove to be highly appropriate and effective for preparation of future pandemics. The cooperation MOU between CSIR, IICT and Messrs. 101 Therapeutics was also signed during the meeting. Stressing the successful completion of 3 decades of diplomatic relations, Mr. Naor Gilon, the ambassador of Israel, emphasized the close, friendly relations between the two nations, which have culminated into a strategic partnership after the complementary visits of Prime Ministers of both the countries in 2018. The present CSIR DDR&D cooperation would add another feather and be a milestone for India-Israel relations.